Hello everyone, welcome back. Face ID is a convenient way to unlock your iPhone, but are you using it right? Let's go through the four most important Face ID settings to check right now. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open settings and then go to Face ID and then passcode. So guys, here you can see this Face ID and passcode is opened. After this, you have to simply turn on iPhone unlock option from here. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply turn it on, and after this no one will be able to use your device again. So guys, the next setting is that you have to simply turn on attention mode on your iPhone as well. So guys, for that you have to open the Face ID and passcode settings and then scroll it below, and here you can see the toggle for require attention for Face ID. So guys, you have to simply turn it on as well. So I do this, and after this you have to simply scroll to the above side and then turn on the toggle for iTunes and App Store. So I simply turn it on, and after this these settings will help you to run your device smoothly. So guys, in this way you can also turn on these four most important Face ID settings on your device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.